We've seen a very summer-like stretch of weather for the past several days. Many people have been taking advantage as well. We caught people out relaxing in the warm sun in Oakland this morning, just kind of chilling out. Lucky that, reading, hanging out. And we see some people just certainly soaking it in, rightfully so, before changes are on the way here. KDKA First Alert meteorologist Falicia Woody is joining us with the details on what we can expect really in just a few short hours. It was so nice. Can't we just keep it?
I know.
Stretch it.
I want to keep it as much as everyone else does. It has been a beautiful weekend, at least we have this afternoon, but then things just quickly tumble down here in about 48 hours. But we do have to talk about what's happening tonight, and that is the threat for some storms. So right now we do have the sunshine outside of Pittsburgh. It's 78 degrees, and we're expecting to go somewhere into the low 80s. So there is actually a severe thunderstorm warning west of Columbus, but that is that line of storms that'll be arriving here later this evening. So we do have some increasing clouds for now, but soak in that sun and warmth while we do have it. The main threats are going to be mainly for areas at north and west of Pittsburgh. However, some of those storms can still trek eastwards as we move later on into the night. So the timing of the storms, it's looking like it's going to be after the evening commute, leading up until about midnight. More so rain showers after that, because you really take away a lot of the strength, and most of the storms will already be in the mountains by that time frame. So again, low 80s for today, bottoming out into the 40s by tomorrow morning. I would say the best chance for those storms today will be for folks mainly on the north and west side. If you're more so the Laurels and Ridges, the storm should weaken by the time it heads into your neighborhood. If you're south of I-70, I would say it's more so for Greene and Washington County. If you're in the I-80 corridor, that area tends to have a little bit of some instability when it comes to these kind of systems. So you guys do have that first alert in place for you guys as well. We will have some periods of moderate to heavy rainfall, so that's more of a moderate risk. Low for flooding, since this is a short-lived system, and of course we never put 0 for a tornado because we could have a quick spin up just in case, so it's low but not none. It is going to be a low risk for hail, possibly pea size, but the damaging winds, I would say, is the biggest concern leading into tonight. So around 6 o'clock is when we could see the onset of some of these storms, and some may potentially be severe to really strong. So flash of lightning, could hear some rumbles of thunder. Best to be inside during this time frame. Temperatures will be dropping from the 70s down into the 50s once this cold front does pass through. So it starts in the west, continues to make its way off towards the east, and we still could have some showers lingering into the overnight hours. But look how chilly it's going to be tomorrow morning. We're going to be in the 40s, could have some leftover showers leading into the morning hours for areas south into West Virginia, Garrett County, and the Ridges. But the afternoon we clear out, and it's not going to get too warm. In fact, we're going to be staying in the 30s for your Wednesday morning. And in the afternoon, we're only going to get into the 40s, and there may be the slight chance we could have some flurries heading up towards the I-80 corridor. So big change up here within a couple of days, but just watch out for those storms tonight. Stay weather aware. And then as we look ahead to the rest of the 7-day forecast, 60s for this upcoming weekend. If you're running in the marathon, watching for a chance of a few showers.